now, before we touch any skill, I will talk about something more human. Change management moving from paper register to digital system. It's not just a change tool, it changes habit, and change management simply means helping every one of us make that shift smoothly without fear and without blame. Let me give an example. Imagine a face assistant who has marked a step in a paper diary for 15 years. Change management is the support, the training, and the patient that help that person trust and use the CS calendar instead. Without being afraid of making a mistake, we will get change around three things. It will reduce the fear of technology to repeat and practice. Process, redesign all paper workflow so they actually fit the digital system and training. Creating this as continuous learning, not on one time event. Need for continued and sessional training because CIS getting changes day by day. Previously, we are using 4.0, sorry, 3.0 version, and previous year we update to 4.0 system. So CIS getting changed day to every day to day, and getting updated. So that's why we have to get training, deep training for every every quarterly or halfly, so that we get updated from CIS for CIS. So role of CMO and port manager. Although we don't have any CMO and port manager, so we are having assistant stenographer who are doing these roles. We are CMO role, case management officer. Their role is support judge with case data, listing and analyze, coordinating CIS data, entry quality check, and assist in disposal train monitoring. And port manager oversee all over technology absorption in the port, coordinate with NIC systems on issue, plan staff training schedule and follow up. That is the role of CMO and port manager. But although we don't have this stuff in our port, so this role are handling by assistant and stenographer. Capacity of building at frequent intervals. First, if some new staff has joined in this code, so they need to learn about CIS basic in the first week of joining, then they can use it CIS. The quarterly refresh is required. Short session on new feature. If some new feature is enabled, like last month only we have introduced to E7, I think, last month or previous month. So we have to learn it. If result, so we have to learn it like that. New features attaching with CIS, so we have to learn like quarterly or halfly. Performance review. Performance review can be done by like every step. Like if someone is doing CIS, which are like wrong entry or something like wrong information has been entered in CIS, so that can be resolved by upper level like system or like from bench system to stenographer to system like that. So that can be done by performance review. Advanced training also require deep device session for bench system editor on report generation quarter because bench system need to send report monthly wise. So that's why for bench system there might be a frequently training session might be taken the basis of a report. Like today they are asking monthly report, next time they might ask another report. So based on that, and monthly report can be generated by CIS also. And any report that are asking from High Court, if it's related to case, you can generate it from CIS. Training methodology. The program uses a practical learn by doing approach rather than only lecture, like demonstration and on practice, Q&A, and with reference note. We will see some live demonstration and hand-on practice. We will try to practice CIS here only. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. And quick reference, if some new thing you are getting to know, you can note it down. So e-committee, introduction of e-committee. But the E Committee is the body of Supreme Court of India that plan and oversee the nationwide use of technology in the judiciary. So apex policy body has version document standard setting. These are the phases from the committee that are introduced in CIS. Introduction to the e-code project. So previously we have e-code project phase 1, phase 2. Now currently we are in phase 3. So in phase 1, phase 2 configuration has adopted from serial copy to digital copy. Rollout of CIS across district judiciary. In phase 1 and phase 2 of e-code project, CIS has been rolled out. But in phase 3, process re-engineering and e-filing, many functions are being introduced in CIS that can be accessed from mobile also and from any like website also. So what is CIS? The heart of digital court work. From case decision to judgment, upload monitoring and statistical report. So concept of CIS management. What is CIS actually do? Filing of case, registration of case, hearing, evidence, judgment, and dispose. These are the only process we do in CIS. But under this, we have many sections. Filing is like court wise we have to file, register, court wise we have to register, hearing that we have to face, hearing that like for how many days we can face according to judge, their order we have to enter in CIS. Evidence, if there is any evidence, then evidence will take priority or something. And what are the evidences we taken? We have to register in CIS. And judgment, all the judgment need to be uploaded in CIS so that it will be seen national and then national division that I give. And this is the role of CIS. CIS is a software of district judiciary built by NIC, Uniform Nationwide. CIS is used by nationwide, like all over India, in every court, every district court, there is a CIS. Continuously update. In CIS, we continuously update because each day we have different cases, so we update in CIS. CIS in work management. Beyond storing case data, CIS organize the daily workload of every court or function, judge, bench, clerk, reader, nurses, staff, and court management. They all need to do CIS, but they have different rules of CIS. Important of data integrity in CIS. Data integrity means the information in CIS is accurate, complete, and consistent. Wrong data in CIS can mean a mishearing or wrong sent to the high court. Means like when we enter the data, if some data is wrong in CIS, we have to rectify as soon as possible. Because if data is not being rectified, then when we generate the report for high court, when we update CIS, high court will know. Because every day what we do in CIS, then if our server is live, then it will be reflecting NJPG and it can be seen by High Court of Meghalaya or anyone from the website, NJPG website. So double check before saving. First verify with case file. CIS code preparing and master dashboard data. The main case data parties, case type, staging order, common to every code in India. Very state or code specific add-on model. Example, surety model, victim information, master and dashboard. Refresh this case type, action, and summary statistical shown on the dashboard. Registration in CIS. How we do registration in CIS? So registration first we receive the file, securitized paper, entry party and case details, general CNN number and case number. CNN number and case number will generate automatically CIS. Allowed to code branch. So unregistered case or undated cases. Unregistered case, the case which has been filed by any application code, but it's not yet updated in CIS. So that need to be verified by the base system. And undated cases, the cases has been taken today and that is not updated. That will be, if it's gone beyond today, like tomorrow, it will be shown as undated. So we need to fix it. Like every day, we need to enter in CIS. Court proceeding after every hearing, the proceeding must be recorded in CIS against the case. This become the case digital order state. order sheet. Report the order, update next day, make attendance, link document. Let's get the model. There is a model in CIS which is called plead guilty, where accused appears and plead guilty. Plead guilty report in CIS, fine sentence and enter, case disposed instantly. These are the established plead guilty. Process report and post release. Yes, sir. I have to- and so, sure. Now you can see, no, sir. Let me, I want to discuss with sir. You can see. Yeah, proceeding post is what. Sorry, sir. I think when I this PPT, yes, we yes, yes. Now we can see, no, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So in proceeding report post list, posts can be generated automatically in from CIS, published daily, searchable, and always current. Reflect same day change if a case is adjourned or taken out of turn. So posts can be generated from CIS. Additional party details we need to like sometime in cases we need to add additional party details. So we have to we have to go through CIS and we have to where you can add additional party details according to the requirement. Management report can be generated by CIS, pendency report, disposal report, order case report, and category wise report. Then all report can be generated through CIS and partial and ICCS. Uh, ICCS, interoperable criminal justice system that are handled by police, link court, police jail, prosecution, and forensic labs. Also, criminal case data flow between them digitally. Partial data arrive in CS from the police FIR charge sheet. So police will handle by the police are handling CIS, CCTV, NS, and prosecution for CIS that will integrated with CIS, the CCTNS, and jail prison and forensic that all combined in CIS. Transfer of cases uh, in a district in like in one court there is a case for there is a quest like example 1 2026 that can be transferred in the district only, not in to the other district. If you need to transfer to the other district, that can need to be disposed. So inter court transfer, inter district transfer, transfer other order report district reviews. So case moved to the court in another district obtained by a high court, not order, high court order. If high court order is there, the case can be transferred to the other districts. Judgment order uploading. So judgment uploading was last time only we were using judgment. So judgment order signed by judge. Scan and save as PDF upload against case in CIS is signed where applicable. E-sign also requires in some judgment. If required, we can do a digital sign also, that is e-sign, visible on case history and tab. When we upload, once upload, that judgment can be visible in NJDG, any app that is accessible to CIS. A diary and B diary generation. The main daily order sheet diary of the court, recording proceeding of all cases list that they generate and printed from CIS. B diary used in criminal court for entire relating to the undertrial result and one methods. Track separately from the main A diary. Undertrial UPT. Under trial prisoner taking CS track under trial prisoner accused person in judicial custody trial is not yet completed, so court can monitor custody period and avoid unnecessarily no detention. Custody period alert, jail court data link, 50RC review. Look Adalat and mediation. So in CIS there's a section for low Adalat also. So now it's not included although and mediation also there's an option in CIS. So in future it might be applicable. Low Adalat referral cases need to be entered in the CIS, and if there is any settlement triggered in CIS, the outcome settled and no settle is reported and the case is disposed or sent back accordingly into enter in CIS. Mediation case referred to mediation center as similarly tracked in CIS. Referral data mediator sign and final report are all lodged against the cases. Monitoring CIS. CIS gives judge and administrator a live dashboard view of how the court is performing without waiting for manual statement. Daily discourse tracking all cases allowed judge wise, court wise, except these are the alert we are getting through CIS. Remand and bail release. Remand order sending the accused to judicial or police custody for a specific period. Report with custody start end and date. Bail. Order generating condition release of the accused pending trial, bail bond and COT details. So e-sign and CIS. E-sign and digital sign also can be used in CIS in final order institutionally authorized via OTP biometric documentary digital sign temper proof PDF generated. In PDF also can be generated for CIS. Charge sheet and summary report. Charge charge sheet will file when police find sufficient evidence to process to trial. List accused witness and evidence summary. While when police find the case holds or evidence insufficient, case may be closed or keep open for further investigation. Receipt report. ACI general report showing all charges summary received by the court in an given period used to verify nothing is missed. Partial order uploaded. Uh, first, first judicial order taking the cases on report for trial. Someone wearing charge framing order passed at partial stage. Recognize someone to accuse framing of charge must be uploaded promptly so the case digital record stay complete from the very first year. Generation of statistical statement in CIS. Monthly statement, age-wise statement, appendix C, category-wise statement, annual report, query builder. A query builder can be initiated in CIS, where is a tool inside CIS that lets staff create custom report by selecting their own filter without needing any technical programming knowledge. So in CIS, you can like set a query builder so that if any report that is related to cases and that is not like module is not in CIS, so you can build your own query with CIS. Like I want a report for this person, how many days he is in custody, so we can like build a query in CIS so that next time for other persons, so we can generate by clicking only one button, not searching here and there in CIS. Types of PDF and OCR, ICR. OCR, optical character recognition. Like when we scan any document, there is a model called OCR and ICR. OCR means like when we scan, every character will be recognized. Recognized like that scanner, like A, B, C, D, what's printed in that paper that can be recognized from optical character recognition, and ICR, intelligent character recognition, and advanced from of OCR that can also recognize handwritten text. Handwritten text can be when we click any picture that is handwritten, then we can use ICR and intelligent character recognize for reading that handwritten document digitally. Generate of accessible PDF document. So we can generate PDF in CIS for any like someone, any report or anything. We can generate report. Figure structure, handling paragraph and table text. Figure so reading order is logical. Searchable text, real text there. Via OCR is scanned instead of just an image. Old text for image and embedded seal signature displayed in text for display data. Other feature of CIS, SMS, email alert, keyword on order, mobile friendly view, multi-language support. These are the features in CIS, other features. Daily management in CIS. Daily management in CIS, where a hiring is adjourned, CIS required a reason for delay to be recorded. This will an honest, analyzable report of why case take time. New entry, each adjournment is closed as new data entry not overwritten. Reason code, extended reasons selected, advocate shout time, witness absent, data analyst, court manager can see which reason caused the most delay over time. Accountability, pattern of repeating adjournment by one side become visible and repeated. State specific delivery model. Security model in some model are added on top of the core CIS to make a particular state legal on or procedural need. Security model and victim information model. In security model, take security standing bail for an accused, their details gone and verification status. Victim information model. Security required victim details and protection need as required under state central victim protection scheme. Process management and instead. Process generation. So process generation is specifically a summon generation where we can generate summon in CIS, notice, URL, we can generate through CIS. Process data entry and load of code user. The code user basis system or base clock reader is responsible for ensuring process data is entered correctly before it is sent for service. Verify party address, confirm the address on file is current before generate the process. Select process type, attach order copy, link the relevant order so the process server receives as context. Take status, follow up if process is returned, answer or undelivered. We can track the status of process draft generation, upload and copy process. We can generate draft, we can upload process, we can copy the previous process. CIS auto draft the process document using CIS using case and parties data already on file. A scan signed process can be uploaded back into CIS as the official report. Copying the previous process. We use an earlier process as a template when issue a fresh one for the same cases. Publish process acknowledgement and status. Once finished, a process move through a clear stage so everyone know whether it has
reach the intent person. Publish process, send probe service, process delivered to natural instant, acknowledgement capture on service, status updated in CIS. And step. Uh, and step is a platform that digitally track the service of civil process. Someone noticed by process server replacing the old paper-based belief system. Photo proof of service, GPS location capture real-time tracking. That is what the functionality of NSTEP. Utility of NSTEP and mobile application. For civil process service, the NSTEP mobile app turn every process server smartphone into a verified service tracking device. Accountability, no loose paperwork, faster auto process management, NSTEP web uh, manage field process server, add new process server notified that can be done through district admin or Nazar branch and manage process admin Nazar. Add a modified process admin account whose oversee all location or process admin energy daily workflow. Process admin energy daily workflow process once process are generated in CIS, the process admin energy manage their flow through and step in the step. Entry step, consume data, process allocation, process delivery. These are the steps which followed by process setting and logic. And step mobile application. What are the features in and step mobile? View allocated process, capture photo and signature, set location and upload status. Import service mobile app. In import service mobile app, we have different function that is case management, status, post list, and order. My case export and import. Keywords can code and get by this they can search their case. E-filing and ICJS. Consuming new cases from e-filing and ICJS. Case filed on e-filing. In e-filing, case will be filed by police or any advocate online. They can file cases that is called e-filing. So data and documents sent to the CS. Then if police or anyone that's they have filed cases in e-filing portal, that data will come to the CIS. So we have to check that data is correct or not. So code establish secretaries and verify both case consume and register in CIS. If data is accurate and okay, so we have to verify and register in CIS. E-filing existing cases and IF filing. E-filing existing cases. Everybody can file fresh document with replies, written statement, evidence electronically into a case that is already registered under running. IF filing. An IA is an applicant file within a pending cases for stay internal. IA can be a file and necessarily linked to the parent cases in CIS. E-filing video and manual will are available in website or in to also search. Justice app and GDC. Justice app judicial statistics and information system is a mobile app designed for judicial officer to access case information statistics and court management tool on the move. Personal case dashboard access on mobile. This app, Justice app, will only for judicial officer and NJDG can be accessed by all the users like national judicial database is a public online dashboard showing patency and disclosed data for almost every court in India, built entirely from the case data entered locally into CIS. Data management. Importance of data security. Protect privacy, prevent tampering, maintain trust, legal compliance. Open data. What is open? Case status case is final oral judgment with sensitive details must where needed. What step protect? Become identity specific opens minor details, sensitive personal information. Passport manager. Passport manager. Your CS login is tied to your action in the system. They will or shape us passport puts the whole code data at risk. So use a strong unique passport. Never share your login, change and log out whenever. Data auditing. Simple case select for review, intercheck against case file, discrepancies, select and corrected. Audit report share with code manager. Data accuracy in CIS, verify against the order sheet, cross check every entry while the physical scan use drop-down master list. Pick from standard views rather than free typing case type or add. Step to maintain data health. Enter data send date and review before saving. Run periodic cleanup report error immediately. Digitization of case report. Protect against damage. Importance of digitization. Digitization convert all paper case file into digital report, protecting them from physical damage and making them instantly searchable. Protect against damage, instant retrieval, and remote access and free physical space. Principle of digitization metadata. Metadata is the data about the data, the label, case number, case type, the date, parties, attached to the scan file so it can be found and organized correctly. Standard operating procedure, SOP for digitization. File preparation, remove pin and stapler, scanning at specific resolution, quality check and OCR procedure, metadata tagging and upload to CIS, physical file, achieve and save. Hardware and software requirement for digitization of case record, high-speed scanner and OCR, ICR software, adequate storage and management and keyword type of PDF document, PDF/A. So PDF, the standard everyday PDF format, good for normal sharing and viewing, but not specifically designed for very long term. PDF/A, an archival version of PDF designed to ensure the document look exactly the same decade from now. The prepared format for permanent code OCR and ICR in the digitization workflow. Document scan, OCR or ICR can be applied while scanning. Text layer verified for accuracy to verify physical copy with digital copy. Scan is scalable PDF upload to CIS. So today we cover introduction, process management and step justice and NJDG, digitization of case record, case information system, requiring and ICCS, and data management. Thank you, sir. Sir, I answer. Yes, sir, you can. Yes, yes. Excuse me. Yes, sir.
Uh, yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. No, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In class, we are studying to sir. Jैसे they don't have many questions. They don't have any questions, sir.